Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chili Flex. Today I am yet again with an efficient and smart product. This is the Smart Light Bulb by Tekken. This really works efficiently and makes your space more creative. It has a variety of powerful features like remote control, voice control, gives you a numerous color selection choice, and can actually save up to 60% of energy consumption. You can also schedule the smart bulb on and off time. This bulb can also be remotely controlled by Alexa. I am very excited to show you guys, so without any further delay, let's unbox it. Before we do that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So this is how the packaging looks like. You'll find the company name on the top, and it's of model number SB60, and it claims that it can work with Amazon Alexa and also compatible with Google Assistant. On the other side you'll find a QR code which you will use to install app with this, and this side you'll find the specification, and it says that it comes with a 12-month warranty. And let's unbox it. Let's see how the product looks like. So you can see it comes in a set of 4 bulbs, and the packaging looks really intact. So here is the look and feel of this bulb. It has a screwed holder and it comes with a manual also. To enjoy all the features of this smart bulb, you need to install an app named Smart Life. So I have already installed it in my phone. Now I am going to register it. So it will ask you for the permission. You need to agree it, and then you need to sign up. So here I will provide my email address. Once I will do that, it will send a verification code to my Gmail address. Once you verified that, you can set your password. And then it will ask for the permission, for the notification permission. So you need to provide all those. Once you are done with that, you are able to go through this smart app. So the first thing you'll find here is a tab named Add Device. So you need to click on that. So before going further into the app, first you need to install your LED bulb. So here I am using a lamp to do so. So I've already installed it. Now I'll go back to the app. In the app, you need to select that Add Device. Once you'll select that, you'll get most of the information. You need to go to the lightning tab there and set your device. You need to plug in and plug out until and unless you'll get a blinking there. That shows it gets synchronized with the app. Now you need to connect it through internet. So it's important here to connect it through 2.4 gigahertz. For the first time, you need to give that bandwidth and then start adding device. So once it detects the device, this LED bulb can get all the features. So it detected it. Now you are able to do everything. You can rename this bulb. Here you'll be able to give the icon, all the name and everything. You can do it. So I put the name it as bulb 1, smart bulb 1, and here is the tone that you want to give. So you can decrease the brightness or you can increase the brightness. You can give a warm tone or cold tone based on your requirement and your mood. Also there is a color efficiency. You can give different color. The best thing about this smart bulb is that you can control this even when you are not at home and not connected to your Wi-Fi. This smart bulb can easily operate with your phone mobile data also. So here likewise I have added 3 different bulbs, and now I am going to test the scheduling timer here. I will schedule it on a particular time to see whether it will turn off the light or not. So you can see it's working. Now I am going to voice feature of this. So here I am using Siri. I am giving a command to turn on, and it's working, it's turning on. So likewise you can give voice command using Google Home also. So you can see there is no dependency of any other device. You can do it by your phone only. If you have Alexa, that's a good sign. If not, then you can use Siri or Google Home. It will work definitely. So if you want to know anything or you want to buy it, do check the website. I will put it in the description below. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.